Right, well, the mystery switch is gone. The wiring's all gone. Literally, I put all the fuses in because somebody had taken out the fuses, so there was no dashboard, no nothing. The wipers are trying, I think they're seized, or dying anyway. They'll probably blow the fuse any minute. They're creeping, never mind. Got dash lights, got half a tank of diesel, so that's knocked quite a bit of money off the price of the car straight away. It's charging alright, blowers work. Radio works. Oh, wipers are trying. Oh, there we go. No, they just got halfway up. I think the arms have moved. But yeah, the whole elaborate system was because of the somebody taking fuses out. I cleared the rubbish, going to hoover the worst of it out before I take the carpets out, get the seats, get it all clean. But it's it's not looking bad at all, really. Oh, and I fixed the boot lock, it was all seized up, so stripped it, fixed it. A little bit more done, just faffing around between the showers, rewired the injection pump as it should be. I need to get a proper size battery because it's not working like that. Wipers need blades, but they work. Rear one, all the lights work. Got one bulb in the side light, just a couple of the indicators that I think the wiring's been chewed on. Other than that, giving it a bit of a clean inside. I said clean, I've emptied the rubbish and hoovered the worst of it out. The carpet will have to come out and then be a good scrub for the rest of it. But at least it's more like a car than a shed now. Or could still be called a shed if you talk to my missus, but never mind. It's actually should be a fairly quick project, this one. It's a shame that door's completely different colour. Then again, so is everything else inside the car, where all the paintwork hasn't been in the sun. I prefer the blue. I might have to might paint that door depending on how the rest of it turns out. We shall see. But that'll do for now. It's chucking it down again, so I'm off inside. Cheers.